Data analytics, the science behind the numbers. Have you ever wondered how we make sense of millions of pieces of information every day? From predicting the weather to recommending your next favorite movie, data analytics is like having a super detective brain that pieces together clues from a vast sea of data. What is data analytics? Imagine you have a gigantic puzzle, but instead of a picture on the box, you only have scattered pieces. Data analytics is like the imaginative power that helps you see the overall picture emerging from these pieces. It is the process of examining lots of information, or data, to discover patterns and insights. In other words, it helps decide what the puzzle picture is all about. How does data analytics work? Let's break it down as if we are baking a cake. Gather ingredients. Data collection. First, we need to gather all the pieces of data. This could be numbers, facts, or any kind of information we can collect from different sources, like websites, machines, or even surveys. Mix the batter. Data processing. Just like mixing cake ingredients, raw data needs to be organized. We clean it up, handle any missing information, and arrange it so that it makes sense, like sorting out the pieces of your puzzle by color and shape. Bake the cake, data analysis. Now it's time to discover patterns or trends. This is like baking your cake, where all the mixed ingredients transform into a delicious treat. Here, data analysts use different tools and techniques to find stories within our data. Frost and decorate, data visualization. Finally, like icing the cake to make it look pretty and tasty, we present our findings. We use charts, graphs, and other visuals to show our discoveries, making them easy to understand, even for those who didn't collect the data. Why is data analytics important? Data analytics helps us make smart decisions. Think about how it helps spot trends in social media, predict future sales in a store, or even help doctors understand which medicines work best for patients. It transforms raw numbers into shiny pearls of wisdom. Becoming a data detective. If solving mysteries with data sounds fun, you can become a data detective, also known as a data analyst. You'll explore numbers and facts, uncover hidden secrets in data, and help make the world a better place by turning information into action. Isn't it fascinating how data analytics helps us understand the world one piece at a time? So next time you see a graph, think about all the detective work that went into creating it. Happy data exploring, junior analysts.